It's really an all-glass structure. There are large balconies that surround each floor. As this thin ribbon of balcony extends into the building, that really defines the amount of space that we have for structural and all the utilities that support the services inside the building.
And this building is unique because of all the beam penetrations. In a typical building, we would not go through the beam at all whatsoever.
Well, it's a team effort, just a lot of coordination with the other trades, all getting together and getting with the guys and figuring out where to set the pieces.
So we started modeling during the design phase just to make sure that the concept would even work.
And then as they try to work through different options early on in the design process, we can provide cost consulting as they went along, so they can make good decisions as they went.
Without the use of 3D modeling, this job would have been nearly impossible. As you can see, every beam in this building was fabricated with the openings in it. So far, we haven't had to field cut a single opening.
Drawn with a computer, and then everything's laid out off a grid. Everything's just got to be right there.
So all of our hangers are being shot in with the Trimble. So when we come to a floor to start putting hangers up, we already have rods sticking down out of the decking for our hangers. All of the sheet metal has been fabricated in the shop, and then the piping itself is fabricated as well. And that makes for a smooth installation.
So you had to think about that when you were going to set these tanks. Like this big tank here, it's very heavy, thousands of pounds, tens of thousands, and I made sure I put anchors in there so I could set the vessel. So, and we did that all with the Trimble unit. You know, we just put it in the computer and boom, boom, boom.
So I believe that the design build process in this case probably saved the owner and his team at least 6 to 9 months.
Coordination of the beam openings was the whole key to the project.
Related to design build again on this project, I think the other thing that comes to mind is teamwork. Baker Group, we feel really blessed to have been brought in on the early stages of this project. There was a real camaraderie that was built with the design team and all the other fellow contractors. And I think it's going to manifest itself in a really quality product for the owner at the end of the project.